bata? Bakit napunta ka dito? Gawa ng tropa mo? Iyak. Umiyak. Ay, nagising. Babae? Yung lalaki kasama dito, asawa mo? Ay, hindi. Ah. Napapahangin lang kayo dito. Pero may bahay kayo. Oh. Okay lang ma-interview ka?
Lila, there's some hungry people over here. Let's go see if they need our help.
Upo po kayo.
Ipo ka.
Sige
Kasi
po.
may anak ka. Mag-isang taon na ka dito? Kasama yung asawa mo dito. Pero saan ka natutulog?
Minsan po dito, minsan po doon. Sa may ransel po na yan.
Oh. Grabe naman. So wala pa yung baby mo. Nakatira ka na dito.
Opo.
Saan ka nanganak?
Sa Tondo po.
Galing mo. Just a baby girl, 4 months old.
Baby girl, 4 months old.
Yeah.
So
And
cute.
she's living here for 1 year,
1 year.
but without the baby. Now she's with me.
Okay. Yeah.
She's 4 months old.
It's
8 months. in
makes
her-
it very tough.
Yeah.
Very rough.
My God. Ano, nagugutom ka, ano?
Hindi pa naman po.
Hindi pa naman.
Kakain po namin ng almusal.
Hello! Kumakain na yan ng ano?
Sabaw lang po.
Sabaw lang.
Huh?
Sabaw. Sabaw only for the baby.
More milk.
Breastfeed o
Best friend po.
very
Oh.
good.
Oh, hallelujah. That's the best.
Yeah. Hello. Hello po mga kapatid. Nandito po tayo sa ano. Isang taon na po siyang nakatira dito. Sorry. Tapos, apat na buwan lang itong bata. Yun. Kaya talagang, ano yung ano, natutulog siya dyan. Walang,
Meron po. Carton po.
hindi, yung walang buo.
Meron po.
Very good. Saka, pinibreastfeed niya, so, masustansya, malusog tong bata. Walang sakit. They have a nice view here, and a cool breeze. Yeah.
Yeah, these are the cool breeze here. That's why
Yeah.
he hangs out right here, nice and cool. Our air not so hot.
Yeah. Kapag when it rains, it pours.
Baby, look at me like
Who's
he's
this?
crazy.
Oh, bakit bebe?
So the husband was just here.
Oh.
Yeah, so when we were coming up, when we spotted her, the husband had just went by and dropped off
For her.
some rice and some ulam for her. So think she does have a husband. She's not single. He's working. The husband has a job. So the husband's working. Yes, the salary kulong for apartment rent.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kaso po madami pa po siyang mga utang. Kailangan niya po muna bayaran.
Utang. Utang will get you every time.
Kamunahin yung bata. Di ba? Kasi, kawawa yung bata eh. Dapat yung sariling tirahan. Ano?
Mangungupahan naman po kami, kaso yung mga utang na lang.
The mic.
May lungat. May lungat. Oh. She loves it.
I don't want the baby get hurt on the mic, so I'll just hold it for her.
The baby likes you.
The baby likes me.
Yeah.
Itsy bitsy baby. You want to say anything? Drooling, drooling, drooling down the river.
So, mali anong trabaho ng asawa mo?
Ano po, mineralan po.
Mineral, oh.
Oh, mineral deliver?
Yeah.
That's a small salary, yes?
400.
Per day?
A day.
Ano lang po, lingguan lang po sa niya.
Lingguan? Isang linggo lang?
Wow.
Ano yung isang lingguan?
Lingguan po yung sahod niya. Pag,
Oh. 400 yung kasuri niya. Isang linggo? Oh, 400 a day.
400 a day po.
So, 4 times 7 to 8. To 8 now.
Kaya inuuna niya po muna yung mga utang niya bago mangupahan.
You bring dog food today, yes?
I have.
All right, go feed the dog.
Yeah.
Yum, yum.
I'm,
All right, so Lila just asked if she needs diapers. So, what size diaper? Medium size diaper. So we're gonna go buy some diapers for the baby, and we'll come back and see if the husband's here.
yeah. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. What time is it?
It is
Oh,
almost
Last one.
11:30. So we're gonna go buy the diapers, medium size for the baby,
it's here. Last one is here.
and oh, the husband just arrived.
Pwede na. May sasaktan ka na.
Oh.
Oh. Ang babata pa nyo. Ang taon ka na?
Bye.
18? Oh. 20 years old, 18 years old.
20 years old and 18 years old.
Wow.
No money, no baby. You agree? Difficult, yes? Very hard when you have small budget with baby.
Yeah, that's why we don't have baby because we have
We're
no money.
poor. Adoy. Adoy. You know the adoy. Walang pera.
Taga saan ka talaga?
Dito po talaga.
Taga dito. So, nakita mo lang siya dito.
Hindi po, sa taga-Tondo po siya.
Sa Tondo. Oh, Tondo, sabi niya.
Sa Moriones po.
Sige. Oh, sige.
What is it? Break time right now?
No.
Oh no.
It's just
Oh,
passing by.
you've seen us here, like you're investigating. Where is this American and woman talking to my wife? Yeah. He's not yet on lunch. He just came by and seen we're with his wife and wanted to know what's going on.
Oh.
Nothing. We're gonna go buy some diapers, some pampers for the baby.
Yeah, because you have food already, so because we just buy for the baby.
Ano yung bukas po, masawad naman bukas paano makakabit.
Oh, okay.
Well, very maliit na naman po yun sa
Yeah,
Yan
she's
talaga.
saying your salary is very
very small.
konti lang.
Konti na lang.
Kulang.
Wala.
Kulang the salary.
Oh.
Medium-sized diapers for the baby, and then when we come back, maybe the husband will be here for lunch.
Yes.
So stay tuned.
We'll be back.
We shall return. We'll return. Yes. Bye.
Bye.
Water
Enjoy.
delivery boy. At least he's got one of them in-wow
Yeah, and wow.
e-bike things. All right. It's really nice to help people that are trying to help themselves. That's
Yeah.
what this channel is about, helping those in need. especially those who are trying their best but don't quite have enough for an apartment. Never mind what you think about me and Lila. Think about the people that we are trying to help. That's what this channel is about, is the people we're trying to help.
Salamat po.
Salamat. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, Lila, you find some diapers?
Yes.
So many to choose from.
This
Oh.
is affordable.
Affordable?
12 pieces, medium size.
All right. That's what she needs, so
Mm.
let's go ahead and go pay for those.
Yes.
All right. Got the diapers?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Go.
Taking their lunch right now. Oh, yes. You finish your lunch. We got your diapers. Yes. They're taking their lunch right now. It's lunch break, and we'll talk with them a little bit. Oh, your father? Oh, you're the... Oh, that's your daughter. Okay, okay. Oh, he's your son. That's your daughter-in-law. Okay, okay. Oh. Okay, they're done eating, so let's chat with them a bit.
Say hi.
Okay.
Hi. Umiyak.
Oh, oh my gulay.
Umiyak. 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 Oh. Tinanong namin yung babae doon sa computeran. Sabi niya, mandalon sa ano, kainan, sabi niya. Hinana namin kayo.
Hindi po kasi wala talaga trabaho sa akin.
Oh. Dati? Oo. Nagsasalita ka na. Mainit daw. Oh, ito na. Ito na ang pampers mo, oh. Oh. Lawing dalawa to. Para sa isang dosenang araw. Oh. Hindi ka ba kumakain kaya hindi kami nadala ng candy?
Kasi,
Ang sabihin mo? Ang sabihin mo? Anong pangalan? Queen?
Queen Nazareth po.
Haba naman. Nasaan yung apelido niya? Oh, Queen.
Aborto po yung apelido niya.
Huh?
Queen Nazareth Aborta.
Aborto po.
Aborta.
Aborto.
Abordo. Her name is Queen Nazareth Abordo.
Oh, Ken. Ah, so cute, huh? Cooling down the river.
Tinitingnan niya, oh. Oh. Wow. Mainit. Sa bagay, kung dito kayo, hindi nyo kailangan ng electric fan.
Oh, air.
Yeah.
Fresh air.
It's air.
Original electric fan.
Yeah.
Original fan.
big
Wala
aircon.
electric.
Yes.
Big aircon, yes.
Pero pag umuulan, nga. Pag ulan. Ah, okay. When it rains, they go there in the Bethany Baptist.
Oh,
Baptist Church.
Bethany Baptist Church. Oh, when it rains?
Yeah.
Oh, they get to go in the... Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
At least you have
that's good.
somewhere... At least you have somewhere dry to go.
Yeah. Very good. Oh. Oh. Nagugutom ata. Tinutupak.
Toyo.
Toyo. Okay. Ah, sige. Masipon, masipon. Masipon. Ah.
The father.
Medical driver.
Pedicab driver.
Sometimes I learn 200.
200 per day?
Yeah.
Oh, kulang.
Kulang.
Adoy!
Adoy.
No good. At least it's better than nothing sometimes, but
Sometimes, maybe 300.
oh, blessings.
Not so big na.
Not so good.
So very small.
Yeah, very small. There's so many pedicabs all doing the same thing. The competition is so big.
Yeah. Not even pedicab, also
Oh, the e-bike.
E-bike.
Yeah, they're taking your job.
that's almost revival.
Yes. So the husband and the husband's father. So he's the pedicab driver. 200 to 300 pesos. 200 peso a day. If it's a good day, 300. And
Sometimes.
that's not good.
Always daily 200. Just fix.
So you just, well, you can't afford to have a place to live because rent is way more, even for a small room. You're looking what, 3.5?
Small
4?
room trips. Not too much. Too much. 200
Yeah.
pesos. 200 pesos a day.
A day. Yeah, that's your entire salary.
You eat.
And wala ulam.
Wala ka na kakainin pag nag-go pa ka pa bahay.
Yes. And then your water delivery,
400.
400. Well, I hope we don't have a lot of money either. We're struggling, but
So,
I hope the diapers will help.
yeah.
At least the baby will have a clean bum bum. Right. Well, she's busy feeding the baby now because the baby must eat. That's gonna wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Much appreciated. With your support of this channel, we can make a difference. Just by watching my videos, sharing, liking, we can help more people like this. And maybe even in someday, God's will, we can do even more.
Hello mga kabayan!
Thanks for sticking around and watching. Thanks to our solid supporters, and shout out to all my channel members. God bless. Okay, come on, Lila, let's go.